Reasonable. What up? Tonight is a losing night for me as well. And I think tonight I do a good job even though I took losses. But let's talk about the result that I get from prop firm trading, right? Here is the raw transparent result that I pulled the money from prop firm, right? So basically I have three active account right now. I have 10K FTMO, 10K funding perp, and 50K 5% account, right? So right now I already pull out 15,000 Hong Kong dollar from prop firm alone, right? And um I lose some money recently, right? Let's talk about the trade that I took tonight, and let's talk about the trade that I took basically yesterday, right? So yesterday is a bit emotional and it's unnecessary. I took a dumb losses yesterday. I can be a profitable day yesterday, but I took some dumb losses, so I have a red day here. But today I will say I trade okay, but still losses is part of the game. So I think the best winner is those who can actually know how to take a loss, right? So um he or she is not fear of taking any loss and able to basically learn from it, right? So let's talk about the trade that I took. This is my funding pip account. Not $950, right? Pending for payout, and my FTMO account have like something like 400 something dollar in my account, and I have my new 5% account. So long story short, let's talk about the trade that I took tonight, right? Tonight I took two trade on gold. Obviously, we are in the trading range, so my first idea is big up, big down, big confusion. So probably I'm going to buy, low, sell high, and scalp, right? So it's a rush top, double top as well, strong signal bar, sell here, put my stop here, tightening 1 to 2 ratio, retest the low, and then I saw micro double bottom, exit at break even, and then this part, and then price form a big bull bar here, and then enter the next bar break above this high, and then if this bar closes bear, I probably will exit all my position because it will be a fail breakout, but it closed bullish as well. But we can see that it's not that strong, right? We can see that it's weak bull bar, long wick to the top, trading range bar as well. Maybe probably I can know about it, or I can sense that probably the breakout is not that strong, right? And then this bar is a bit climatic, right? If I look back, right? So I think that's the problem, but I think overall it's still reasonable to take a long here, targeting at least like 1 to 1 ratio. Initially, I'm trying to target the height of the training range, right? So I think all is a reasonable target, and I think there will be at least 60% chance that we'll reach the measurement of target, right? But price just reject here and then fail to, and then price just choke me out, right? So I think the breakout here with a bull bar follow through makes sense, but we can see that training range price session, training range price session, training range bar, and then climatic bull bar as well. So probably it should tell me that there's something wrong with that bull breakout, and then with this bar, and this bar, probably I should exit my trade below this bar to protect, to lose what I should lose less than what I anticipated, right? But at the time I'm thinking that maybe we're retesting this high and then the moving average. So yeah, to be honest, honestly, I think I just leave it open, set and forget is okay approach, right? Because I would say 60% chance we will have a measure move up, right? So that's the whole idea. And then it didn't work out. And then, nice, amazing. And then let's talk about the trade that I took on US 500. Very simple, two big bear bar close on the low, so 60% chance that we'll have a measure move down, right? So it indeed happened, right? But pretty messy price action. So we can see that rush bottom, double bottom as well, so I exit everything here. So that's the trade that I took today. I think today trade makes sense. It's not emotional, everything based on what I trade, so I think it's reasonable um trade setup. But yesterday I would say I was a bit emotional and then I lose a little bit more money because initially I was profitable for the day and it's a good amount of money as well. But I and then I'm become greedy because of my psychology, because I want to escape the reality, because I'm do not have because my heart, I would say, kind of like it's pretty hollow. I'm not sure if you understand or not, because I have a job that I do not enjoy necessarily, and I want to escape the reality. I want to trade and make money, want to chase more money. Degree really skewed my trading. I think that's the problem, and I will take a look on that. I would say I'm quite good self-analytic, or I have a pretty good self-awareness and I know my problem. So I just stopped yesterday, right? So you can see that initially I took a short here. The short here, I would say it's all right, but it's not the best trade, to be honest. We can see that trading range price session, non-wick to the bottom, not a good sell here, but and then I switch my idea. I just exit everything at break even here because I know it's not a good sell, and I took a buy here because we have a strong bull trend, and then we have a strong channel, a tight bull channel, tight bull channel up, and then we have long wick to the bottom, wash bottom as well, trading range price session, back follow through after bear bar, and then we have a good signal bar here, and then just took a buy here, put my stop here, and then I add a little bit more risk here because I saw double bottom, and then what's the probability that we can revisit this high or even higher, right? So put my stop here as well. I think this two trade is reasonable, manage my trade pretty well, and then this trade is a winning trade, but this trade here is not reasonable because I'm just want to chase money, right? I enter trade at the middle of the trading range, right? Even though this trade is at the middle of trading range, but at the time I have a position here, I add here for a full position in some kind of way, right? But I took a long here, middle of the trading range, and I was trying to scale in to get this trade out of break even and profit from this trade, and then put my stop here, got stop out as well, and then took a buy here, got stop out as well, right? So I think professional trader, they will not put their stop just below this trade range price action, and they will scale it lower and lower, lower, and then they are confident that the bear trend is not strong and it will be a fake out, and that I will not get fake out like that, right? So I think when I look back, probably I should use a smaller lot size and then willing to scale in lower, lower, and lower, right? I think that's how professional trade, right? But I'm still learning phrase, and I have to watch L Brook price session for me, and then I have to take note and then to see how can I improve and back test as well. So that's the trade that I took yesterday, and what the trade that I took today, right? And then yeah, ciao. I mean, I just lose some money this couple days, but I think it's good. You can see that I can this can be a green day, and then today I think it was is a losing day for me, and I have to learn from it and then take note from it as well.